Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a flower using yarn and this thing, flower maker. So I'll be showing you how to make it. Guys, let's open this. Of course, how would you use this without it opening? So let's open it. Let's pull something. I got it. Okay guys, I got it. Here's a safety needle. This is safe needle. It's not a real needle. In my TikTok account, I just said it. So it's a safe needle. To prove it, it's not. It's a safe needle. So let's set aside this. There. Okay, now we have 3 circles. We have the large one if you want a large flower. And we have medium circle if you want a medium flower. And small one for if you want a small flower. Nice. So let's set aside this for a sec. For a minute. And there's more. We have a square, large square. If you want a large flower. May square bang flower? I don't know, guys. So we have a square one. And we have a tiny square. And what is this called?
Hexagon.
Hexagon, yes. Hexagon. Here's the hexagon. Hexagon pala sa this. Let's set aside these. Sorry guys, I have a cough. So we have this part. This one is to put the circle or the square like this. Just like that. And did you see this one? This one? Can you see this one that it has like this? Push the bottom of it so you can take it off. Just like that. So you need to use this. Because the yarn, right guys? So there's 3 space to put your yarn like this, right? Put the yarn here, just like that, and then put this at this space, just like that, guys, like that. I teach you. You can just reverse it if you don't understand. So just like that. So let's take off the black one. So you need a tons of yarn. So just wait, I'll get them. Here it is. We have a lot of yarns. I kind of use it. And you need a scissor too, of course, to cut the flower. So let's set aside this. And then let's pick a color. Let's pick a color, guys. Okay, let's think. What should we pick?
How about violet?
No.
How about green?
Not good color.
How about light blue?
Yes, blue. Thank you so much, Brain.
You're welcome.
So here it is, blue color. That's kind of good. I think, is there a blue flower? Just never mind. It's just a craft one. So let's get a blue. And then for the middle part, like this is the sunflower and there's the seed at the middle one. So let's see. Brain, can you help me?
How about green?
Green? I don't like that green.
How about pink?
Pink? No.
How about yellow?
Yes, yellow. That's good. So my brain picks yellow. So we have blue and yellow. So let's set aside these. You can pick any kind of yarn if you want to. So let's set aside those. Oh, and you can buy them at Lazada or Shopee. So if you don't understand, they have instruction.
Yes.
Instruction. Thank you, Brain. So here's the instruction. Well, don't mind these because, well, I don't know how to make them. So do not. Never mind. I don't need instructions because I know how to do it now. So let's get the blue color one. Then let's take off the end. Where's the end? Where's the end? Okay, here's the end. So let's go. So let's put the end here. And then this one. I teach you guys. You need to learn. So let's pick here. What should we pick? Okay, let's put it our hands and see. Okay, what should I get? Oh, is this a large one? No. This one's the medium one. This one, the large one. Is it correct? Oh, it's small. But it's okay, because I want a small flower. Oh, and guys, you can put it on your t-shirt, or like here or here. You can make tons of flowers. So here guys, right? And this one, put it like here, right here. You see that? This just look like a maze. So, these, never mind. Let me just show you. Okay. Oh. These one. So guys, this is the yarn, right? You need to do that. You can ask an adult to help you. So, like that. Just like that, guys. Can you see it? Just like that. And then, roll it again. And then, oh my gosh, it's just, wait, let me just repeat it real quick because it's just like that, guys. Here, guys, just like that. And then if the two parts is just like this, we need to go to the next one. And then repeat it. What? I just, wait. It's like that, just like an X. And then let's repeat it again to the next side. Like this. Oh, never mind. Wait, guys. So just like that, guys, you need to go to the next one, just like that, and then slide it up, and then wait. Oh my gosh. If you go to that part, you need to go to that part. So this one is your guide. This one is your guide. So don't, like, just like that. So you can ask a parent to help you if you don't understand, because my mommy teach me how to do it. So just like that. Repeat it, repeat and repeat. Just go to the instruction that I shown you. So let's just repeat and repeat. Okay. And then just like that, guys. Just like that, guys. Just like that. If you want more, what is that called? Fluffier or a lot of layers, you can repeat it again. But I just gonna do only one. So, so this one, if you're not gonna hold it, there's one space here, so you can put the yarn there. Just like that. They see. So I'll put it to one because it's gonna fly away. So sorry, Stacy. So just like that, guys. And then let's get the yellow yarn. And then then get the, what is it? Yeah, plastic needle. Thanks, brain. So you need a plastic needle. You need to shoot that here. So get a long yarn and then cut it up. Just like that. Then just look at the center of your flower, just like that, and then go up to the top, and then leave a yarn at the bottom, and then take it, hold it. I'm holding the two flower yarns because it's gonna, like, gonna break. So just like that, guys, it's at the top now, and then you just gonna do this, go down, another one, just like that. After that, you need to go at the top. Do not look at the back because your guide is gonna go up. So just like that, and then go to the center that your yarn is there. Then it's like that. So you're not going to do that because you're going we started here, then we're going here. like second to third to fourth to fifth, just like that. And then we go here. Let's go here. Just repeat and repeat it.
Keep on going.
Keep on going. If you don't know how to do it, just ask a parent, because my mommy teaches me how to do it. So yeah, this is gonna be take a long time to do, so we're just gonna fast forward it. So let's go. Let's put this down a little bit. Let's put it down. Just repeat it, guys. Yes. Keep on going. And then one more. And then we are done. So guys, we are done. Now, if you want to like tie it up, do not take this one. Just do it again and then go down. Just go and then go down. And then do you see this part? Put the yarn right there. So it will be, because my mom teaches me how to do it. So there, just like that. And then you gotta let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Okay. I'm not a great singer, so do not push under me. So let's tie this up real quick. Let's tie that. Never mind. Get this one and then tie it up. Bye-bye. Then tie this up one more time. And there you have it. And then take off the bottom of it. Just like that. And then take off the blue thingy. Take it off. And then you're just gonna let it go. Let's flow. So here it is, guys. Here's the flower. You can put it on your shirt like this. Just like that. So here it is, guys. Here it is. Whoops.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, click the bell button, and share. See you guys next time. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye, guys.